I'm looking at 1inch, and I've got to say that this is a very, very nice product in the DeFi space. 1inch is a new exchange. Well, it's not exactly new, it's a couple of months old now, but I think it's going to absolutely rocket. The token's going to rocket. You're looking at least a 10x over the next couple of months, so I would definitely be looking to pick up some 1inch token. It's currently trading at around $2.33. It's having a bit of a dip today, but it's having a nice progressively uptrend, as you can see. It's a big cup and handle, and it's about to dip down a little bit, and then it's about to rocket. So if we look at the chart currently, you can see that this is the daily chart on 1inch. So you can see that out of the gate it just bolted, then obviously dipped until it's found its foundation, and many people started using the exchange. And I think it's set to fly even from this point. You can see that it keeps breaking out and coming back to the 21 MA. Let's put that in. Let's drop that out. So you can see there's not much data really, but it keeps coming back down, retesting it and bouncing off. So we could expect another pull down in the next couple of days to this trend line, to this moving average, and then away it goes. If we look at some shorter time frame, you can see it's beautiful. It's looking beautiful. Honestly, it's looking poised to absolutely 10x easy. Look at the trend here. It's having a bit of consolidation now, and it's just going to fly again. Go on the hourly. So yeah, you can see that it's going up, consolidating, dip, retouch the trend line, up, consolidating, dip, retouch the trend line. And this is a fantastic product, guys and girls. This is such a good product. I can't explain to you how good a product this is in an expanding space. I mean, if you look at the DeFi space, it's just ballooning. You've got 25 billion locked in now. It's gone from potentially nothing last year all the way to this. It's absolutely flying, So going back to the 1inch token to see what it actually is. It's basically a token on the exchange that can be used to governance on the exchange. So this is what it's all about. The independent board of the 1inch Foundation has released a 1inch token, a governance and utility token. The 1inch Foundation intends to support the adoption of the 1inch token via the permissionless and decentralized 1inch network. Basically, it's just a governance token, but it's going to keep increasing in value. I think its market cap at the moment is only a couple of $100 million, but that's nothing in today's crypto space. Its market cap rank is currently 96. This is a top 20 token, guys. You're looking at least a 10-20x over the next few months as this DeFi space absolutely blows up, as well as Ethereum, as well as Link. I would definitely be looking to bag some of these short term, and then obviously further down the line to sell back into Bitcoin. So yeah, as you can see, it's just forming a nice cup and handle. It's going to have a bit of a correction, and it's going to blast off again. The actual exchange as well, it's being used a lot. I mean, it's 14k Alexa rank, which means it's the 14,000th most used website in the world. It's only a few months old, guys, so that's how well it's doing. So yeah, I would definitely be looking to attain some of that in the short term anyway, because I think it's going to rocket. And obviously buy and sell the dips if that's what you want to do. If you want to trade it, buy and sell these dips. So obviously you would have, sold just here, bought here, sold just here, probably potentially buying just here. If we could say that it did a repeat pattern on that on the hourly, you're probably looking at a potential drop of 34% from this point, depending if Bitcoin behaves. So at this point here, you've got another 15% to go. So you could potentially be looking at a entry point, possibly if we're lucky enough, of like 174, and then it's off to the races. And just to add as well that the actual exchange, the decentralized exchange, is absolutely seamless. It's so easy to use, and the way it works, it scours all the dexes for the best possible price, and it uses something called the CHI gas token, which reduces the gas fees on the Ethereum blockchain. So it can reduce it by up to 42%. So obviously more and more people are going to start using this to exchange in a decentralized manner across all these decentralized exchanges. It's basically, imagine like compare the market when that come out, how big that is now. It just compared all the prices across the markets and populated the best one. It's one of the highest used insurance company search engines to date. So 1inch is potentially looking at that growth there. So you're getting in at the floor here with 1inch. Have a little play, connect your wallet, have a little play and see what you can trade and swap up using 1inch.